Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can adjust an outline stroke for shapes and objects in Adobe Illustrator. So let us guide you through this. So let me navigate to this artboard here, and as you can see, I inserted that example rectangle. The fill color is black, there's no outline, no stroke. But we can change that by left clicking into the given object and below by clicking into this symbol next to the fill color stroke. And from here you may increase the outline by moving that slider, the outline weight, and you will see the effect here. And you may use that slider or this up and down arrow to change the stroke weight, or enter a PT value here. Let's leave it at that. So if you'd like to change the color of that, select the given object of the outline stroke, click into this symbol here on the left hand side, or use X on your keyboard to navigate to a valid shortcut. So here you can change the color of the outline stroke using that panel here, or that slider here to find a different color range. So let me go with some greenish like this. Or in the final step, guys, you may also use a hex color code here, enter it, click into OK. And now this rectangle has that outline stroke with that color. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.